নইচেছে সমগ্র একখেছে মেডিয়া বাবু সম্পূর্ণ ব্রুনি আর ফু সংগ্রমা নিনি বিএসকু যত সমগ্র যে চুং ফাইদি হোগ্রা সংলে এলেউয়া বিএসকু খেফ হোগ্রা তমি ফ চুং সমাজপতি খেলে এলেউয়া ইয়ে নইচেছে ও অসম্মান জবাই তারি চরণ কাসকো বাইরাই খেখে 27 জন উপাধি খেমছে ব্রাকে থইপাই থা এঙ্গে থইপাই থা এঙ্গে 18 কে কৃষ্ণাম থাই খনালে जां मनु बाइफो माइ बाइफो 21 तारिख चिनसिर या 22 तारिख पेंतसिम हा सामनि ब्रु पेंतस फायो चिनति ताफो उपाधिक्तर मिजोराम तो फायो ए इंगा बा आबो बा थेफिसि दिमासा पेंतस फायो ए आखे उन दं हो ब्रानि राइ फक्र कासको फक्र संग्रमानि इंगा ताबो जुंब्रानो राइ कासको सुमिया जदि ब्रां चिनि नियन मते जोंसे संनाया जोंसे उपयुक्त नां बरवा तंगा दिहिया फाइदे जों संग्रामाम थहांसिनाय जत ब्रुले थाहांनाय हिये जों संते हिंके ए केहाव पनके जों उया इंगे ब्राले 1900 से संलाव हिंके ए जुंले नोंजि से संफाय म इंगे बखे जों आरमाया जातिवा तया जातिनि कलंक केमिकले ओ आरमी खलुंसे साव सिनाय से ज्ञान ना से रांखो पैसा ना आर्मी ब्रो उपयुक्त बुद्धिजीवी ना आर्मी तासिसा जाति नरलिए दंथौ हिया आइनि केहा साख्लाय मु बजे 27 जन
कास्टमार लोन पुद दे जे माइमो आबो बाइता ब्रां आबो सांगमो थुरल मले ब्रेक फेलाय दं ना बनायले
फुसे फुनु याइनके
को मांगसाबो सालाया
कास्टमार लो बीएस को खनाय चिनी जे ओ एसडीएम पे दं थानाय आटा शांति आइन बुआइनि जेरबाय चामाय चामिसे बुं पूरा पूरी स्नामिया आबो एदिसि थाके पास के फेमसे आबो पास के फेमनो को एकटा जाओ चिन आचार विचार बाय थायाहिया बुल तंखो दंडकारी फ कांगाल गरीब साले अतिरिक्त सा बुल मय फनिनि लाख रो तो हाइके के चिनी काइले मनि आचार नियम फक्र तो हाइके बुइ बाहिया नाय जों आचार फ ताउनि आदुनि बेफ दालनाय आके नि संवाक संबुरा बुरि चैपसि सानि आचार न जों रुखा खिनिये आबो नायग्रा नाहिये राज्य सरकार जों कारेलामसे आबोनि तय न बलाइनाय जुलाई 10 11 रो आगरतला मको सरकारी प्रोग्राम खेसे चिनी बीएस को चिनी समाजपति रक थंगे आरफु आलोचना किए आबो खेमत ओ इनके आबो बिनि बात किए तमामनि बुनि एसराबा बेबा संग्रमाले बुंसांचो ब्रां जे आरोनि समाजपति हिंको सेये सरकारी भाबे उक्ति चुनो पास खेरि दिरि तो आंके बनि तय जों ता खोक लासिमाय आंले लेखा परा क्रैनो तारमाने आं सिकित वाला रां पैसा दनि ब्रनो नानो खाकचा मुरिये आं बकाव थैसा क्लेमसे
on two issues mainly Bru Customary Law Bills 2018 it has been passed by the ADC authority in the year 2018 and it has been sent to the state government for assent of the governor. Through studies it is found that some additions are required there, some mistakes are there. So to expedite the work to complete this customary law bills, 2 days seminar was held on 10th and 11th July with the strong initiative of Tribal Welfare Minister Sir Mevar Kumar Jamatia. And in that seminar it is decided that to complete this customary law bill through proper checking, a committee review committee was formed consisting of 9 members including chaudhries, intellectuals, scholars, some youths and all sections of the society of the group. So the process is going on and an ad has been published by the TRP and PTG department through papers, and there it is requested to submit views and any suggestions towards these customary law bills, and the ending of receiving this news is 30th September. So amid this, one organization from South Tripura, Bru Songramam Tho, he under the leadership of Khonaram Riang, he went to one Janajati MLA and convinced him to submit a customary law bill which is whimsically prepared by them, and with taking help of these MLAs, they submitted the copy to the Honorable Chief Minister Sri Biplab Kumar Devji. And another one is on 16th of this month, a meeting was convened in the State Guest House to all the tribal leaders, all 19 tribal leaders, and I have been there, and one of that Khonaram sent 2 delegates from his organization. One is Kaskau and another is another post. They expose themselves, they are the Kaskau. That is the main this is the main point. Officially, historically, this gentleman is our Kaskau, the community chief, and it is already declared by royal dynasty, Rasmata Bibu Kumari Devi, and Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, CS and other dignitaries came here and witnessed here the program last year, and perhaps you people also present here. So convincing that MLAs, one Janajati MLA, he pursued to the Chief Minister and produced one false Kaskau. So this is our strong objection, because in the society there cannot be no 2 Kaskau, only 1 Kaskau. So that Kaskau is invalid. So we want to convey this message through your media that the Brumtha, that is Council of Kaskau and Rai, is the main organization of this Bru community, which is recommended by the royal family of Tripura state and acknowledged by CM and other dignitaries. So we want to convey this message, and due to this problem among the Brus, huge and chaos situation are arising. So we want to convey our message to all the organizations and all the people of Tripura that Bru Umtha, that is Council of Kaskau and Rai, is the sole authority to appoint this Kaskau, Rai and other 27 councillors. And certificate is also here. Some of my colleagues are displaying this.
Okay. So two issues come out of that.
Yes, and another
since I'll come to the second point. I know that is the young repatriation. So